Most people think manifestation is about creating something new, but that's a lie. Manifest doesn't mean to create, it means to make obvious what is already there. And if you don't understand this, you're going to stay stuck in the same reality forever. Your thoughts become things. Every result in your life started as a thought. Thoughts lead to emotions, energy and motion. Emotions lead to actions, and actions lead to results. You will know them by their fruits. Your results are the fruit, and your thoughts are the seeds, and your mind is the garden. If you want a new fruit, you got to sow new seeds. If you want new results, you got to think new thoughts. The biggest myth is, I'll believe it when I see it. But the truth is, I'll see it when I believe it. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he, Proverbs 23:7. Stinking thinking leads to stinking results. You can't plant weeds and expect to have a beautiful harvest. Faith is believing it before you see it. Hebrews 11:1 says, faith without works is dead. You don't just believe, you act. And when you believe something new is possible, when you believe it, you perceive a new reality. But it's the action of walking through the door that allows you to receive it. So there's a difference between wanting something and being ready to receive it. You know that you're ready to receive it when you realize it's already here. It's here now, it always has been, and it always will be. John 1:14 says, the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. Before there was a world, there was the Word. God had an idea, He spoke it, and it became real. And He created you in His image. So when He's describing Himself, guess who else He's describing? He's describing you. He says, let the weak say, I am strong. Let the sick say, I am healed. Mark 11:23, whoever shall say unto this mountain, be removed, and does not doubt, but believes, it will be done for them. Most people say what they have instead of having what they say. But I tell my people, you can have what you say, but they just keep saying what they have. So start to talk it till you walk it. Say it till you see it. If you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand. Everything that you want but don't yet have is on the other side of letting go of a belief that you are dead certain about. The door is open, but you have to walk through it. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. If you've been broke your entire life, trying not to be broke, it's because your subconscious beliefs are holding the broke reality in place. And you're just fighting against yourself. Willpower will never overpower your subconscious beliefs about who you perceive yourself to be. Jesus didn't say, I healed you. He said it was your faith that healed you. Whose faith? Your faith. So if you're ready to speak, believe, and receive, go and subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.